As the sun rises over the endless green rows, the work of the harvest begins here in the sugarcane fields.
Look how tall these stalks are. We should get a good yield.
The quality seems excellent. Let's schedule the harvester. A little lower, watch the side.
Okay, bring it down slowly now. We got it. We got it?
Weight confirmed at 92,000, but the quality metrics are fluctuating.
Let's hold the intake and verify the bricks levels manually.
We're getting a bottleneck right here.
Yeah, try adjusting the speed slightly.
Moisture content is well within tolerance.
And the crystal structure looks perfect, very uniform.
The throughput on line 3 is up by 10% this quarter.
That's excellent. The new palletizer is working well.
All right, set it right there next to the others.
Got it, looks secure.
Good, bring the next one in.
Check the status of the 72B shipment. The record shows a delay. Verifying inventory now. The truck departure was pushed back. Update the dispatch log and notify the client.
Almost done with the sugar. Need anything else from the back?
No, this should be enough for today. Thanks.